Okay, let's go.
Welcome back to Tools and Decor USA, your go-to channel for the best tool reviews and smart workshop upgrades. All the tools I mentioned today are linked below with exclusive Amazon deals. Ever stared at your tools and thought, there's gotta be a better way? That's what inspired me to hunt down the most innovative, game-changing workshop tools for 2025. Today I'll show you the must-haves that solve real workshop problems. Tools that make you faster, smarter, and more precise. So grab your safety glasses, let's engineer the perfect workshop together. First up, the DeWALT 20V Max XR Jigsaw. Freedom from cords, without sacrificing power. The brushless motor is the secret, more efficient, cooler, and delivers serious cutting speed. You get up to 3,200 strokes per minute, and it doesn't bog down, even in tough hardwoods. The variable speed trigger and LED light give you total control and visibility for intricate cuts. It's like going from a propeller plane to a jet engine. Precision and power in one. For detailed smooth cuts, this is your new workshop MVP. Every project needs flat, square wood. The WNJT 630H spiral benchtop jointer brings industrial precision to your home shop. Its spiral cutter head uses small replaceable carbide inserts. Nick one, just rotate it, and you're back to work in seconds. The 10-amp motor powers through hardwoods, and the finish is so smooth you'll barely need to sand. It turns warped lumber into perfectly flat boards, ready for joinery. For serious woodworking, this jointer is a must. It's the foundation for flawless builds. Need to cut massive beams? The Prazi beam cutter transforms your circular saw into a 12-inch deep-cutting powerhouse. It's a simple attachment that uses your saw's motor to drive a mini chainsaw bar. No need for a giant, expensive saw. One pass cuts through thick timbers with accuracy you can't get from a chainsaw. When you need to think and build bigger, this is the tool that makes it possible. Traditional vices are limiting. The IQ Vise changes everything with its articulating ball joint base. Rotate and tilt your workpiece 360 degrees. Lock it in any position with a single handle. It's like having a third hand that adapts instantly to any angle. I carved a complex piece without ever reclamping. Workflow, uninterrupted. This isn't just a vise, it's a work-holding revolution. Upgrade your bench, upgrade your efficiency. The Bosch RA 1181 router table turns your handheld router into a precision shaping machine. Its rigid aluminum top stays flat, and the adjustable fence system makes setup a breeze. Swappable insert rings and above-table height adjustment means safer, more accurate cuts. Unlock decorative edges, joinery, and more. This is your shaping command center. For pro-level results, this table is essential. Dust is more than a mess, it's a health risk. The DeWALT air filtration system is your workshop's lungs. Dual filters trap particles down to 1 micron, way smaller than a human hair. It circulates and cleans the air while you work with remote control and timer features for convenience. Set it and forget it. Come back to a clean, healthy shop. Protect your lungs and your workspace. This is a must-have for any serious maker. Joining boards for panels? The DeWALT XR Biscuit joiner makes it fast and foolproof. No cords, no hassle. The brushless motor and rack and pinion fence deliver precise, strong joints every time. Adjust for different thicknesses and biscuit sizes in seconds. I joined a desktop panel in minutes, flat, tight, and seamless. It's the simplest way to get pro-quality edge joints. Sanding tight spots is a pain, unless you have the WN detailing file sander. Its narrow, pivoting sanding arm gets into corners and curves where other sanders can't. Variable speed lets you go gentle or aggressive, perfect for wood or metal. I finished drawer corners in minutes, with a flawless result. Once you try it, you'll never go back to hand sanding. Want to try wood carving? This 24-piece kit has everything. Sharp chisels, gouges, a mallet, and sharpening tools. High-carbon steel blades stay razor-sharp, and the variety lets you tackle any detail or texture. It's beginner-friendly, but pro-quality. I spent an afternoon carving and found it both easy and inspiring. This kit is your gateway to the artistic side of woodworking. Clean screw holes make your work look pro. The EZARC Countersink set uses 5 flute bits for chatter-free, perfect chamfers. Titanium-coated, they stay sharp and cool. Quick quick change shanks make swapping sizes fast. I compared them to cheap bits. The difference was night and day. For flawless finishes, this set is a must. Clamps are your extra hands. Jorgensen's 6-inch bar clamps are strong, reliable, and easy to use. The F-style design and clutch mechanism mean no slipping, even under heavy pressure. Soft jaw pads protect your work, and the size is perfect for most projects. I use them for a cabinet glue-up. Everything stayed square and tight. Invest in good clamps for stress-free builds. The Klein Tools digital level brings precision to a classic tool. Get digital angle readings down to 1/10 of a degree, perfect for tricky installs. Audible beeps and a magnetic base make it easy to use, even hands-free. The zero function lets you match any reference surface. For next-level accuracy, this is the upgrade you need. Marking mistakes ruin projects. The Saker Scriber ruler gives you pinpoint accuracy with holes for every fine measurement. Use a mechanical pencil for ultra-thin, precise lines. No more guesswork. The T-square design keeps lines perfectly perpendicular. I laid out joinery with 0 gaps. Fit was flawless. For anyone obsessed with precision, this tool is a revelation. The DeWALT DWP-611 is the go-to handheld router, compact, powerful, and precise. One-handed control, variable speed, and dual LED lights make every cut visible and accurate. The depth adjustment ring dials in cuts to 1/64 of an inch. It's perfect for edge work, inlays, and detail routing. Everyday routing just got easier. Need versatility? The Bosch 1617 EVSPK router kit gives you a powerful motor with both fixed and plunge bases. Plunge for mortises and grooves, fixed for edge work or table mounting. Soft start and constant speed electronics keep cuts smooth and controlled. This kit grows with your skills and projects. It's the all-in-one router system for ambitious makers. For thick curves and resawing, the WN 9-inch band saw is a benchtop powerhouse. Cut up to 3.5 inches thick, make tight turns, and even bevel cuts with the tilting table. The fence and miter gauge add precision for straight or angled cuts. I used it for custom furniture legs and book-matched panels. Endless creative options. It's a must for non-linear woodworking. The DeWALT DWS-779 is the king of crosscuts, miters, and bevels. A 12-inch blade and sliding rails handle wide boards with ease. Double bevel means you tilt the head, not the workpiece. Faster, more accurate cuts. Stainless detents and the XPS cut line system make setup and alignment effortless. The 15-amp motor powers through hardwoods, leaving glass-smooth cuts. This saw is the backbone of any serious workshop. Let's lightning round the essentials. Craig pocket hole jig for fast, strong frames, Milescraft drill block for straight holes, impact-rated driver bits to avoid stripping, Wagner Furno, 500 heat gun for stripping paint and bending PVC, 3M sanding blocks for perfect finishes, a dust deputy separator to keep your shop vac running strong. Don't forget digital calipers, a sharp utility knife, Japanese pull saws and top-tier safety gear, glasses hearing protection, and a respirator. These small upgrades make a huge difference. All links are below. That's the ultimate tool list for upgrading your workshop in 2025. The right tools solve real problems, making your work faster, safer, and more creative. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, upgrading even one tool can transform your workflow. Check the links below for the best deals, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, build smart, work safe, and keep creating. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.